Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials installed. Now open your project and set the debug build variant so tests run against the right APK. Once done, confirm the Android SDK and Java paths in settings, then attach a device or start an emulator with Google APIs. Make sure to enable USB debugging on your phone if using hardware. Finally, open the project pane and locate src/Android test and src/test to verify your test directories are present before running anything. You'll write unit tests under src/test and instrumentation tests under src/Android test so they run in the right environment. Once tests are written, sync Gradle and build the test APK. Use the Gradle panel to launch Test Debug Unit Test for JVM tests or Connected Debug Android Test for device-based tests. Make sure to use appropriate runners and mock dependencies to isolate logic. As you run tests, watch the run window for stack traces and use breakpoints to step through failing assertions so you understand. You'll analyze failures by scanning the test results pane and logcat output. Once you identify a failing assertion, reproduce it locally with the same emulator or device image. Make sure to capture screenshots or use the test runner's recording features for UI tests. After fixing code or test flakiness, run the relevant Gradle task again and confirm green results. If tests still fail, check dependency versions and emulator API level. Mismatched SDKs are the most common culprit to investigate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.